Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today we have another desk build video. Now this desk review is not sponsored or not affiliated in any way. This is just a desk I am doing for PCBros, kind of a hand-me-down from ToastyBros. ToastyBros has been sent this desk. This is their premium dual sit standing desk. So this is a pretty huge desk. You'll see later in the video how big it actually is. We're using this for a specific purpose for PCBros PC picture taking, like to display the pictures for the website. Yeah, let's jump right into the details here. So this is the first Desky desk I've built. I built many desks, so at this point I'm starting to see the trends and I'm becoming kind of a desk connoisseur, I guess. This is a very, I would say, premium style desk. So this is just the frame. There are many ways that you can kind of assemble this desk and choose and pick which parts that you like. There's a lot of add-ons. Keep that in mind. You can always add. I think they sent us quite a few add-ons just so we can review it. Keep in mind those don't come with it. So again, this is the dual sit. They have the single sit, so a smaller option, which I would recommend. There's a lot of different shapes here. A lot more options for shapes than I'm used to on a lot of these desks. It looks like, oh, this one's kind of cool. This has like a little middle spot. I've never seen that. Oh, shoot, that's so cool, actually. Wow. Yeah, that's that like fancy, trendy Instagram little resin in the wood. But yeah, they have sent us a regular black tabletop, I'm pretty sure. So the three criteria that I'm going to be using to rate this desk are: how easy is it to assemble, like how good the directions and stuff are, how functional and good is the quality of the desk, and three, if I think it looks stylish and good, and if I would personally use it myself. Now, as far as the accessories go, I know they have sent us one of these under desk drawer things. Now for $134, that is kind of a premium price. I know they've also sent us the integrated cable power channel. They've also sent us some easy clip power boards like this, like little surge protectors, I guess. But there's quite a bit of things. It's actually kind of an impressive list. Some cable management items. We'll see if adding a bunch of these add-ons to the desk is even worth it. For us, it might be, because we're going to be using it for pictures, so we can store stuff for staging the pictures. So it could be cool. But yeah, let's cut to when that ultra big dual sit desk gets to the office, and I'll break down the building process. The desk has finally arrived and it has shipped in like 6 different boxes here. I'm used to the desks being a little bit more compact with their shipping, but again, there was add-ons. So I'm guessing the add-ons were shipped separately. This is a huge desk. If you're gonna buy this size, I would definitely recommend getting 2 people to help with this. So let me open all the boxes here real quick and show you what's inside. So again, this huge like rectangle box, that is just the desk top. There's one box for just the legs, the powered legs. It's pretty heavy, and then one for the beam or what the tabletop rests on, and the other ones are the accessories. I was actually pretty impressed with the cable management tray. This is the most high quality one I've seen on any desk. I mean, you are paying $45 extra for it, so I'd hope it would be good. If you are going to be running a lot of cables in a gaming setup, this is actually not that bad of an add-on. I think the drawer is a little bit more of an extra that you might not need, but we'll see later. Maybe I will like it. The directions were pretty good. Almost all of the steps use the same screw, which here they call it the machine screws. So you're going to be pretty much using the machine screws for the whole build, which made it easy and made it where you didn't really have to think, am I putting in the right screw or not? The directions were pretty easy to follow. There's not that many steps, and if you've built a desk before, you will see it is pretty much the same as anything. So as far as rating it on how the desk build went, I would give this a solid 9 out of 10 for being very simple. Even though it looks overwhelming with all the boxes, it's really not. It's really the same desk that I built over and over again, but just packaged a little bit differently. Now, the build quality on this specific model for the desktop actually had pre-drilled, pre-threaded holes, which I really liked, because I never like when I have to drill my own holes, because then I'm afraid that I'm going to get it a little bit off sides. I'm not going to have perfect measurements. I'm a little impatient when it comes to stuff like that, so I'm always afraid it's not going to be perfect. But this I didn't fear at all because the holes were exactly where they needed to be and were already drilled and threaded, so it was extremely easy just lining it up and using the same screws pretty much again for the whole build. So this was probably one of the most easiest desks that I had to build. It was really heavy, which added some degree of difficulty, I guess. Now, as far as the build quality, I would rate this on a solid 10 out of 10. I actually really think this is a high quality, very sturdy desk. I would probably personally pick a different color, but we needed this color for the business. But I think the quality is insane. Again, it had that pre-drilled, pre-threaded screw holes. Everything was very high quality from the add-ons that you bought, like the integrated cable power channel is what they call it. I really like how that is on like a hinge and you can open it up extremely easily. I mean, overall, this is one of the higher quality desks that I have built on this channel, and I think we're gonna really like it for what we're doing. And as far as the rating on the looks, hard to completely say because on this size, I would definitely not buy this size, but if I was looking at other desks on this website and other sizes, I would definitely keep them in mind. The add-ons are a little more than I would probably want to spend because for the two easy clip power cables or easy clip power bricks and the drawer and the cable management tray, you're looking at an extra like $300 on this desk. I feel like for the looks, you could get this similar style desk, but a little bit cheaper. It might not be the same type of quality, but you can still get that same look and vibe a little bit cheaper. But this is a very high quality desk, to be fair. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think about gaming desk and what are you rocking at home? What kind of gaming desk or build desk do you have? And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.